everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be telling you about my favorite top 10 budget-friendly makeup products which are under the price of Rs 500. They work absolutely amazing, they are affordable, and these are everything that you need for a flawless makeup. Here we go. So my first pick is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Now this is one of the best budget buys that you can get in the market. I know that I can never go wrong wearing this foundation. This is a really nice lightweight foundation which evens out your complexion and has a heavy coverage. Plus it minimizes your pores and gives a really nice natural looking smooth finish to your face. Now this one is priced at Rs 450. My next pick would be the Lakme Absolute White Concealer Stick. Now this one is a really nice compact packaging. It has a creamy consistency with a heavy coverage minus the creases that you tend to form under your eye area. It does not even give that powdery effect. So I suggest you to rub the concealer in between your fingers so that you can blend it well, and then you can apply it under your eye area. And you can carry it to cover up your flaws, your blemishes, and just to get a really nice look. And this one is priced at Rs 500 only. Now let's not forget how important it is to have a nice blush, and it's really essential to have really nice rosy cheeks at all times, for which I always call this one my favorite. This is the Rimmel Powder Blush. It's a 3-in-1 ombre effect which has shades from browns to pinks to really light pink. And this one is in the shade 001 Spring Flower. Now these colors, they are really highly pigmented, they are long lasting and very easy to work with. These powders have really nice silk-like texture and they're very soft and smooth at the same time, and they have a little bit of shimmer effect going through in it. So this one is priced at only Rs 485. Now eyeliner is a must for every girl. You must own an eyeliner, and for those girls who have a tough time creating a nice winged eyeliner, then a gel liner is definitely your best bet. You must invest in one of these. Now this one by Color Essence comes with a really nice tiny applicator, and the consistency is very buttery like. It's rich in application, highly pigmented and very soft and easy to work with, and also it stays for ages. Now this one is priced at only Rs 499. Now my next pick would be the latest launch by Lotus. This is the Lotus Mascara, which is the length and curl mascara. This is definitely worth trying. It has a beautiful cute packaging with some yellow and pink color coordination, and it helps in curling and lengthening your lashes without making them feel heavy. This is definitely a must try, and it's only worth the price of Rs 325. Now a compact powder is definitely a must to keep your makeup matte and long lasting for all day. A mineral powder like this is definitely a must have. This is the L'Oreal Matte Magique. I swear by this compact powder. This is my 5th buy, and this has an appropriate much needed SPF, which is SPF 34, and also you can use this to just sap up all the excess oil that is there on your face, and just to have a really nice matte long lasting finish for all day long. This comes in various shades. You can get your own shade, and it's priced at Rs 450 only. Now my next pick is this lipstick range by Maybelline. This is the 14-hour Superstay lipstick range. These come in 12 beautiful bright hues of colors, and a girl can never get enough of lipsticks. You can actually get as many shades as you want. They have like really beautiful bright shades from pinks to orange, red, and some nude ones as well. They are matte in texture, highly pigmented, long lasting, smudge proof, and they just stay onto your lips. They have a really smooth texture and they do not dry your lips out. And these are worth only 430 rupees. My next pick is the Plum's Nature Studio Kajal. I'm sure by now you all know how much I love this kajal. A single swipe of this kajal is just good enough, and it does not go off no matter what. You actually need an oil to remove the kajal from your eyes. So this is actually a gel based product which is 2-in-1, which acts as a kohl pencil and as a liner as well, and it's absolutely smudge proof. It stays as long as for 12 hours, and it's waterproof at the same time, and this one retails for only 425 rupees. Now it's really difficult to find highlighters within the range of 500, but this is regardless my absolute favorite. This is the Savannah Color Shimmer Brick Set, which is actually a perfect dupe of the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Set. Now this range comes with 6 different variants, and I'm in the shade 6, which has a beautiful array of shades from light pinks to dark pinks to some browns and silvers, and they have like beautiful shimmer work coming through it. They are very beautiful and they look so nice when you apply it with a brush onto your highest points of your face, and yeah, it gives a really nice sun-kissed look to your face, and they work amazing. The texture is really soft and they're very pigmented. So this one is only for ₹500. Now my last pick is this lip moisturizer stain by Island Kiss. Now first of all, the packaging has completely stolen my heart. It's a mix of sweet and sassy. Now this one is in the variant of Black Rose and Grenade Rouge, which is a beautiful red orangey shade. Now these are moisturizing to the lips as it has a lot of moisturizing elements in its mixture. Plus it also leaves a really beautiful stain onto the lips which doesn't go off really soon. And yeah, these are really nice and very good for everyday purpose. This one is priced at ₹500. So those were my top 10 under the price of ₹500. What are yours? Let me in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I will see you soon. Bye.